Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a similar heart to the one from Instagram in a very simple and quick way. Let's begin. Start by selecting no stroke. Choose the fill color by using this color code. Select rectangle tool and drag the shape across the whole artboard. Lock this layer and name it background. Create a new layer. Now, change the fill color to black. Select the rectangle tool. Click once on the artboard. Apply this settings. Select zoom tool so you can zoom in and out the artboard. Press A for direct selection tool. Click and drag to select this anchor points. Drag the live widget so you can round up this end of the shape. Press V for the selection tool. Select your shape. Now go at Edit and copy. Then paste it in front. Here you can rotate while holding Shift. Select both shapes and click one of them. Then choose Horizontal Align Left and Vertical Align Bottom. Now go to Pathfinder and unite. So far, so good. Select the bottom live widget. Apply this number. Choose the fill color by using this color code. Project complete. Congratulations. If you made it until here, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notifications bell so we can meet again. Thank you and see you around.